This is the safety video for our GW4100 ITW Gale Wrap. When loading the machine, properly raise the arm so that you do not have to bend over to load the machine. There is a carriage raise button on the side. If you're not familiar with the controls of this machine, please look through the user's manual. When loading the machine, make sure it's at least waist high so you don't have to bend over when loading the machine. When loading, be careful, there is a cutting mechanism on the carriage which will cut the film. Do not put your hands down below in the metal area. After you have wound the film around the rollers, there's a diagram on the top. You can lower the carriage back down to the floor where the wrapping cycle begins. Before starting the machine, make sure the area around the pallet has about 3.5 feet around each side to allow the machine to go around. If there's anything in the way, please clear it out of the way or move the pallet and the machine out of the way of the wrapping area. Before beginning the wrap cycle, please attach the film to the corner of the pallet. Once the film is attached to the pallet,